Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to turn on hardware acceleration Chrome. Open your Chrome browser, click on the menu, and then click on Settings. After this, go to the System section. There, enable the switch. Use graphics acceleration when available. As you can see, you must click on Relaunch so that Google is restarted and thus have this function enabled. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.